Hello friends, it's Vicky and welcome back to our little place for happy things and thoughts. Spring is officially here, so I wanted to make some mini ears fit for the occasion. So I made these purple floral wire mini ears fit for whimsical fairy princesses. My favorite color is purple and I love all things dainty and glittery, so I've been wanting to make these for quite some time now and I'm excited to show you how to make them too. To make the ears, you are going to need a glue gun, a cup, floral wire, flowers, ribbon, a headband, and scissors. Starting with the floral wire and cup, you're going to take your purple floral wire. I found this one at the dollar store, and you are going to wrap it around a cup in order to get the size of the ears that you want. And when you're wrapping it around the cup, make sure to leave some extra wire so that you can use that wire to wrap it around your headband. When wrapping it, make sure that you don't leave the wire pointing down where it would poke your head, because if not, that's going to make it uncomfortable. So make sure that the tip of the wire is pointing up. Once your wire is wrapped, secure the ears in place with some hot glue. Okay, so now that you have your ears done, you are ready to move on to the bow. So taking your ribbon, I found this super pretty purple or lilac ribbon with glitter and iridescent borders at the dollar store. I love it so much. You're gonna take the ribbon, fold it in 5 times, cut it, and then cut another small piece of ribbon. From the small piece of ribbon, I pulled out the iridescent borders, rolled it up, and sealed it with hot glue. Next, taking the piece of ribbon that was folded in 5 times, add hot glue to the center and scrunch it in. And then take that strip of ribbon, wrap it around the middle, add some hot glue, and cut the excess material off in order to create the bow. Finally, I just pulled out the inside material to fluff up my bow. Next, I took my purple flowers, placed them where I wanted them to go, and then glued them on. For the last step, I glued on the bow. However, instead of adding it to the middle like most mini ears, I glued it on to the side because I really like the side bow look. I think it's super cute. And there you have it, folks, purple glittery springtime mini ears. I only spent $3 making these because everything I bought, I got it at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys have fun making these. Tag me at Vicky Mouse House on Instagram if you do. I would love to see your creations. And make sure to like and subscribe for more Disney and DIY videos. Sending you all a really big virtual hug, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!